My Early Childhood Career Journey. After signing up and signing in, click on the Professional portal. Now you'll need to create your Early Childhood Career Journey profile, so click on My Early Childhood Career Journey. The first page you'll see is My User Information, which will include demographics, spoken languages, and contact information. Once you've entered your information, including your address, which will then be verified, click Next to save and move on to the next page. Next, you'll add the licensed childcare facility or facilities where you're currently employed or where you've worked in the last 90 days. Click Add Employment and choose your facility's name from the list and enter your start date. You may also add a termination date if you're no longer working there. When you're finished, click Next to add your position information. This includes your position, age group, you may select more than one, hours worked per week, your position start date, and then click Add. Next, you'll need to upload documentation. For this, you can upload your last 2 recent pay stubs or last 2 time cards signed by your employer. Click Next. This last page is optional. You can fill in information about benefits if you wish. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Finish to complete your profile. You will receive a message confirming you've completed this section, and it will also let you know what to expect in the next part of the process.